So on the cab side of the machine here on the BTE-325 next gen excavators, we actually have a toolbox area here that you can store your grease gun, wrenches, tools, everything in here. It's kind of a new feature that we had added on here. And then inside the engine compartment here behind the operator's cab, you've got your air filter up here. You've got your starting fluid here in this yellow canister. That's added automatically. It senses the ambient temperature. If it's cold out, it'll put the correct amount into it so that you don't have to spray anything into the engine when you're starting it. Right here is your depth fluid tank. You've got a sight glass here, and then there's also an indicator in the cab on the ECM that will show you your depth level on this. If you ever have to jump the machine, you got a positive terminal right here. Put your jumper cables on. Your washer fluid is right in here. And then on this spot, we've got our battery disconnect. If you need to do any lockout, tag out, just turn the key, take the key out. We can flip the hasp over and you can put your lock right on there for lockout, tag out.